watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to easy and affordable summer decorating ideas from Open Doors, Open Hearts. Whether you're looking to infuse your home with seasonal charm or embark on a budget-friendly makeover, these tips are designed to simplify your summer decor journey. Baskets. Embrace the beauty and practicality of baskets this summer. Use them to display freshly cut flowers, garden produce, or to gather eggs from your chickens. These simple items not only enhance your decor but also symbolize the joy of gathering and nurturing in your home. Fresh produce, baked goods. Incorporate the bounty of the season into your decor. Display fresh fruits and homemade baked goods to add color and fragrance to your home. Whether it's a bowl of seasonal peaches or a freshly baked pie, these elements evoke a sense of abundance and warmth. Everyday items. Utilize everyday items creatively. Showcase kitchenware, books, or personal mementos as decor pieces that reflect your daily life. This not only adds personalization to your space, but also minimizes the need for excessive shopping and expenses. Less is more. Embrace simplicity in your summer decor. Opt for uncomplicated arrangements that highlight the natural beauty of your surroundings. Sometimes, a pared-down approach can create a serene atmosphere that fosters relaxation and connection with loved ones. goal for summer decoration ideas. As you decorate this summer, prioritize creating a welcoming and meaningful environment. Let your home be a sanctuary where cherished moments with family unfold naturally. Whether it's learning and growing together or simply enjoying each other's company, your decor choices can enhance these experiences. Thank you for exploring these simple yet heartfelt summer decoration ideas with us. By incorporating elements that celebrate simplicity, abundance, and connection, you can create a home that embodies the spirit of summer and resonates with warmth and hospitality. Enjoy decorating your space and savoring the moments that truly matter.